Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn how to use the indirect formula. The indirect formula, let's see what Excel says about it before I go about indirect. It says returns the value or reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row or column given in a range. Sorry, this is indirect. Returns the reference specified by a text string. That means whatever we mention as a cell address, it will try to bring the value from there. Say, here's the data for Jan, Feb, March for these divisions, northern, southern, eastern, and western. And if I type in a cell address, say H6, which is this one, H6, then it will give you the result as 70 when we use the indirect formula. C is equal to indirect reference text is this, and we get the answer as 70. Now this, though looks very simple, is very powerful. Now what I'll try to do is I'll try to fetch up some results from a second sheet. Alright, say over here F4. Okay, sheet name is Sam and F4. So what I've done is type the name of the sheet such as Tahima or whatever. So I have typed in the name as Sam. Now type the cell that you want to pick data from, which is F4, and then the content of the cell F4 on Sam would be 72784. We did it with indirect formula. I'll show you how. And the result is let's cross check it. 72784. 72784. We did it using the indirect formula. How? Let's do it now. To get this result, we need to type in indirect. Select the cell containing the name of the sheet and the ampersand sign. Open the quote. Put in this exclamation mark and sign and the cell, close the bracket, and you get your answer 72784, which is same as here. This formula has many uses. The more you practice it, the more you will learn how powerful it is. See you in the next video.